What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bree Dupree, and I'm back with another video. So it's a lot going on in my house right now, y'all. Like, I'm packing, I'm moving, I have to be out of here in a couple of days, and I am a procrastinator, and I have to go to an interview because I'm moving out of state, and the interview is out of state. So this is why I have like a natural-esque face on and no lashes and like only 2 eyeshadow colors on, because when you have to go to an interview, like, this is my interview makeup. I don't want to stun them all, you know, with my skills and distract them from the situation at hand, which is me and my ability to work. So I got done a little early, and I figured we can get some videos out the way because I filmed a first impressions get ready with me, which I'm not too keen of. I might refilm it, but I'm not sure. And I wanted to do these 2 initial unboxing reviews, but I couldn't because I got carried away and I was running late for work, so I had to leave. So I thought we could get at least one of them out the way. Hopefully I can get out 2 of them depending on how much I talk. But I made 2 separate purchases from Eullair hair, and they finally came in the mail. I do want to give you guys some backstory on why this hair took so long. So I know you guys saw the video I had for my Ali Pearl review, and I have another one on West Kiss, and I did her imports, but West Kiss isn't up yet, but I already filmed the video. Before I even bought those, I bought Eullair hair. It just Eullair, whatever I'm calling it, Eullair. But it just got to me a couple weeks ago because, so I bought it on May 6th. I didn't get it until May 20 something. No, because it's May 20 something now. Like 18th or something, like, it was something ridiculous because, as you guys know, hair comes from China, and somebody tried to ship a dangerous parcel, I guess, through customs, and it held my hair up for about 2 weeks at customs. So I got this hair after all the other hair that I got, and I actually had to go to FedEx and pick it up because the guy knocked on my neighbor's door because I live in a duplex instead of my door. So I missed my package. So shipping with this was a bit of a hassle for me. I'm hoping that you guys don't run into these same issues if you've purchased from them. If you have purchased from them before and you've got a smooth shipping situation, let me know. This is my first time ever buying from this vendor, and this is the first time I've ever had an issue with how long shipping took when it comes to hair. So I'm going to get into it. This is how the hair comes. I got 2 different things, and they both come in the same way. So this is their standard packaging. It comes in this black bag. It's not the smoothest feeling bag. With West Kiss and Ali Pearl, they came in like silk bags where I store, actually, like, this is West Kiss I have in my head right now, where I store it in the thing. But with this, I feel like it's very see-through and very airy, and I feel like you probably want to preserve the life of your wig, but it does its purpose. This is their blonde water wave hair. Here it is here. I am very excited about this hair. I watched this girl on YouTube, and her name is Laresia Andrea, and she was coming out with a hair company, and she had blonde hair, and she had a texture like this, and she had a more coarse texture that was like more crimped, and I was really looking forward to getting textured blonde hair, because when you buy hair like this, where this is a loose wave, or if you buy hair that comes pre-waved and you try to bleach it, 9 times out of 10 the curl pattern will not be the same, and it will drop. And I am so sick and tired of only having the choice of blonde straight or blonde body wave hair, and I was really looking forward to trying hair like this. So this is their water wave. So essentially what that means is you'll be able to straighten this hair and this wave will come back. I have no intentions, me personally, on straightening this hair, because I don't know if you guys remember, but when I first made my channel, when I first came out with this channel, even now I have, I'll show you guys. I mean, it's been worn a lot, but I have this blonde wig here, which is synthetic, and I also had a different blonde wig that had like dark brown roots that I love the most. And what kills me about it is I can never find it in a human hair form, and so I have to consistently rebuy these same wigs, and they stopped selling the wig with the brown roots, which is why now I have this fully blonde wig, and I'm sick and tired of every couple of months having to spend $20 to $50 on the same exact wig. I would much rather have a human hair form wig. So here it is here. I don't remember what the inches were. Let me pull them all out. I don't know if I got the same inches or not. It says it on the bag. So I have a 22. I have a 22. I'm thinking I got 3 22s and then a 20-inch or 18-inch. This is a closure. Yeah, this is just a regular 4x4 closure. So I'm not exactly sure. I'm pretty sure this is 20. I'm pretty sure I got 322s and an 18-inch or 20-inch closure. Let me see. I think it's a 20-inch closure, because they don't, what kills me about these brands is they don't give you anything in here that tells you what you bought. Like, I want to know. And they also give you this complimentary pair of lashes. So yeah, so 3 bundles of 22 and a closure, and it's all water wave. What I have planned for this hair is I'm going to make it into a wig, and then I'm going to put some dimension in here. I'm not going to tone this hair. A lot of the times when we get blonde hair, our first instinct is to tone it. This hair does have a lot of warm tones in it, but I like that, because what I'm going to try to do is duplicate that wig that I've worn before in this channel with the brown roots. I have a video on how to lay your wig flat. I will link that down below, because that is the wig that I was wearing in that video. And I'm going to like make little highlights, but not with bleach. I'm just going to tone it lighter and darker and whatnot. That's the plan with this hair. But a lot of times my plans change, so we'll see. I might end up dyeing it. I might end up toning it, because this hair is definitely very, very brassy if I'm comparing it to like this blonde hair. I know it's old, but like this is definitely has a lot of warm undertones in it, but for once I'm not mad at it. I do see in this hair different colors and low lights and whatnot, but I will be doing that myself. So stay tuned if you guys want to see how to get a natural movement and highlights in blonde hair, because I will be making that video, not soon, but it will be coming up. So this hair is very, very soft. Like I said, it's 22 inches, and if I were to put it, it falls right beneath my boobs, and if I were to stretch it out, it's a little bit longer than a 22 inch in my opinion, because 22 inches mainly just fall right at my bust area. So the fact that this fell a little bit longer is something cool. What I don't appreciate is how straight these ends are. These ends are very straight if you look at the rest of the hair. So I might cut these off, or we'll see how it falls. And I'm not the biggest fan of this weft construction. The wefts are really thick in my opinion, for it to be like an AliExpress vendor type of thing. And I'm not even sure if this is Brazilian. The tag that comes with it just says 100% human hair, top quality human hair. So I'm not even sure. I will put the specs of this hair down below, because I'm have the, you know what, we can pull it. I mean, I guess I could pull it up. Right? We could pull it up. Okay, now I have the specs on the hair, and I've just been giving y'all the wrong information left and right when it comes to these videos. I just need to start pulling up. I'm getting sweaty. I just need to start pulling up my purchases to let you guys know. It's a little hot today, guys. It's summertime. So this is the 613 blonde, 3 bundles of water wave with a 4x4 closure, human version hair. I got 322s and a 20, like I said, but this is actually Malaysian hair. So this is Malaysian water wave hair. And like I said, it's very, very warm. I got 3 bundles of 22, so I'm just going to show you. And I'm not going to unravel it because I don't have time for all of that. I do like the way that it comes. So here's how it comes when you first get it. And it has the inches here, and it comes with a rubber band around it, and it has a hair net on it. So I'll open up another one for you guys, because I wonder if the ends are just as straight, if this is something that's normal. So this is how it looks with the hair nets, and then you take the hair net off, obviously, if I can ever get it off. And this is the hair, and yeah, the ends are just as straight. So I do get a lot of shedding. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a lot of shedding happening with this hair. Like, a lot is going on with this hair. But like I said, and I'll say it in every video that I do an initial unboxing, I don't judge the amount of shedding on the hair until after it's co-washed and installed as a wig, because a lot of hair just falls short on the weft when they're constructing it. A lot of hair just needs to fall out in order for you to see how much really actually made it on the track itself. So I don't really judge the shedding upon first initial reviewing. I only judge the shedding after it's been installed, and I've washed it after I've installed it, and then I look and see, because also when you install it, you cut your wefts and you get shedding from that as well. Let's look at the closure. Like I said, this is a 4x4 closure, 20 inches. The lace on this is very, very soft. I have had some laces where it's really hard. This one is very soft. As you can see, it's a lot of movement and it's not super dense, which I like, which means when I part it, I won't have to do as much molding and flattening and hot combing and plucking and all of that type of stuff. I really like how this closure is constructed. I like that they give you the option of getting a closure that is only 2 inches shorter, because what I hate is a lot of times they want to tell you a 22 inch and then give you like a 16-inch closure, and so you have no choice but to layer the front so it doesn't look super crazy. And the hair just has a normal like Barbie doll hair smell. It's nothing like corn chippy. I'm pretty sure, or I'm almost positive, like the corn chip era is over. I really haven't had any corn chipping smell since like 2013. So I'm thinking that they got that together over there in China. I don't know. And the lace is very well constructed. You do have some baby hairs here, which is nice. And this hair on here is very soft. It does look to me, I don't know, maybe I'm tweaking, that this wave is a little bit looser than this wave. Is that how it looks to you guys? And it also looks like this closure is slightly less warm than this hair. But that could just be like me nitpicking, I don't know. So all in all, I'm very excited about this hair. I am excited that there's another texture of blonde hair out there besides just body wave and straight, and I'm excited to see how it looks in my hair. If you guys are also excited to see how it looks installed, please subscribe to my channel, because I will be updating you on this hair as I go with it on my own. And I am going to record at least one video of me installing. I have 3 more wigs I have to make. I've made 2 already. I have 3 more I have to make, and at least 1 or 2 of those will be recorded. So subscribe to my channel if you're a weave enthusiast like myself, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. All right, I just want to show you guys real quick. This is my blonde Eullair. Let me close the door. This is my blonde Eullair hair, right? I paid for 3 bundles of 22 inches. So I just noticed this because I only unwrap one of them when I show you guys. Here are, if it'll focus. Okay, so you see the bundles. All 3 of them should be the same length. So why, when I compare these ones, look at how much shorter that bundle is. And I measured this one, it's only 18 inches. And this one is only 21. So I paid for 3 bundles of 22 inches, and I got 2 21 inches and 1 18-inch bundle. How does that makes me mad. And you guys know how these hair companies are. They're not gonna let you return it. I'm really mad. Like, even my closure is 20 inches. Even it's my closure is longer than it. So how is this gonna look now? Now I'm gonna have to cut layers in it. I didn't want to cut it. I'm so disappointed.